Well, good afternoon. Welcome to the Juanita C. Grant Foundation Village Connector Experience Craft Show. We're doing a combination bingo. Beach bingo is our theme for today, and we're also doing a beach themed craft. And we hope you enjoy it. My name is Orlean Grant. I'm President and CEO of the Juanita C. Grant Foundation. And just want to welcome you to the Village Connector Experience and hope you share this with friends and families if you see it. I want to introduce our craft and bingo specialist, Vonda Bain. Vonda Bain is our online coordinator for events, which can be crafts, bingo, just a number of events, and also Vonda is a specialist in making crafts, and we also send out crafts to our members and pals um, so that they would have activities at home or wherever they are in between the online events. So I'll turn it over to you, Vonda.
Okay, thank you. And I'm Glenda Bain, and like Orlean said, I do the crafts and bingo, and uh, we would love to have your input on ideals that you would like to um, do that you can do online or over the phone. And so we're just trying to incorporate all different things that everybody enjoys doing. And so the only way I can uh, get this spread abroad is to get some feedback on what y'all are interested in. So, but today, we're going to do, like she said, a bingo and a craft. And this will be our prize for the pri- the one that wins the game. And my husband has cross stitched this, and it's a bookmark, and it's just placed real flat. So anyway, we wanted that to be um, our prize. And then if we have time and we do a second game, um, this is just a little secondary gift that it's just the little foam stickers that I sent in the package. And this was just a few I had left. So I thought I'd give these to someone. If we have time to do a second game, then we will be putting the bookmarks and stuff together that I sent you in the package. Um, anyway, if you all are ready, we'll start our bingo game. And we will be starting with G52.
Okay.
52.
So Vonda could just need you to speak a little louder.
Okay.
That's good. That's it. So what was the first one?
G52.
G52. All right.
G52. And I-19.
Oh, got that one.
I-19. And G54.
B50, 54.
G54.
Okay.
O66. O66.
Okay. Not hitting much here.
Do what?
I'm not hitting on much.
No. Well, have you made your own ticket
No,
card?
no, I'm using the two cards.
Okay. Well, you might want to make you another one for next time.
I think so.
Make it as she's
N,
calling them and they can have
Oh,
bingo.
yeah, that would be good, wouldn't it? Or
what'd
just,
she
just,
say?
just write them down.
N40.
Oh, I got that one.
N40. I-25. I-25.
Hmm. Okay,
B6.
B,
B6.
got that.
What was that?
B6,
B6.
Okay.
O69.
Okay.
O69.
okay,
G58.
B50,
G58. I-26.
got that.
I-26. B2. B2. B9.
Hmm,
B9.
no,
N42.
oh, yeah,
N42. N34. N34.
getting close.
I-23. I-23. N33. N33.
Mm,
B10. B10.
good.
O75. O75. I-20. I-20. G49. G49. G48.
Ah,
G48. N36. N36.
need one more in that row.
B14.
Ah,
B14.
okay,
N41. N41. N32.
Mm,
N32. N37. N37. O71. O71. B15. B15. G57. G57. B1. B1. I-29. I-29.
What was that? I'm sorry.
I-29.
Oh, bingo.
Ah,
Oh,
there you go.
okay.
There you go.
Okay, call them back to me. Let me check them out.
Okay, they're all in the eyes. I've got
Okay,
23, 26,
okay,
29,
okay,
25,
okay.
and 19.
And what? What was the
19,
last-
I-19,
Uh-huh.
Did she say 19?
uh-huh.
Okay. All right, you got it. Now, don't clear your board just yet. Orlean, what time do you have?
We're good. It's only 1:16.
Oh, okay. So, do you want to go for another?
Let's do,
Uh,
let's see what the group wants to do. You all ready for another try bingo?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do another one.
okay. So, you want to swap the board?
Stop
clean?
and clean. Yep.
Okay. These numbers all up again. All right. Everybody ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okie doke. Here we go. 067. 067.
Okay.
I-25. I-25. 063. 063. G55. G55. I-29. I-29. 065. 065. I-18.
Ah, good.
I-18. V5.
Hmm.
V5.
Okay.
N33. N33. N36. N36. N42.
Mm-hmm.
N42.
Good.
N32. N32. 062. 062. 072.
Ah, good.
072. G60. G60. V12.
You got the vitamin.
Uh-huh. I probably need some. I-28. I-28.
All right.
V13. V13.
Okay.
N40. N40.
Need one more in.
069. 069. E4. E4. 34. B3. B3 comes before B4. I-23. Oh, I put that on the wrong thing. I-23. I-16. I-16. O-70.
Oh,
O-70.
we have any G's in there? Need some G's.
Here's a G51.
All right. There we go.
G51. And 34. And 34. G54.
Bingo.
Oh. All
We got
right.
two bingos.
Beth got it.
All righty.
Okay, I got B3,
Okay.
I-18,
Okay.
free space,
Okay.
G51, O62.
Okay. Now, what did you have, Orlean?
Oh, I
Bingo
don't have
too?
it. No,
Oh, I thought you
I was
bingoed too.
almost there. Almost. I was one away.
Well, okay. Well, let's see. How much time do we have left?
Why don't we try the craft?
Craft. Okay.
Yes.
Sounds good.
So
Oh,
we're
we're
not doing a
keeping-
coverall or anything.
No, no,
Okay.
we're not doing a cover all, but we're going to keep the cards.
Right.
Keep the cards for next time.
Yes, and I guess I don't know if I'll have it ready for next time or not, but I'm gonna try to have a little journal type thing to keep the cards in and your little playing pieces. So you can keep it together easier.
But with the little playing things, I just use dimes in my bank.
Oh, okay. That's good. It's a good sign too. Okay. This is well, let me show you this right quick. This is one I made in 2019. Can you make this out? Have I got it upside down? This is travel. Can you see that word?
Yes.
Okay. And then there's a little car and there's a what do you call them boards you ride in the water? Surfboard. And
Has anybody done any surfboarding?
No, I
oh,
haven't.
I can't swim, so you know.
oh, well, I
My son-in-law does.
Oh, really? Where does he do surfboarding?
He was at a tennis club down in Miami,
Oh, how nice.
and they went out, and of course he can do anything. It's
Oh, good.
disgusting.
That's wonderful.
My daughter and son-in-law are in Myrtle Beach right now.
Oh, good time to be there.
Yeah. I think they're surfing.
Okay.
They're in the water. And I told her to bring me some little shells back. I thought I might do something just fun and send it out to some of them.
So where are we?
Okay, this is one that I made a long time ago, and it's just made on cardboard. And then I covered my cardboard with just some cardstock.
Mm-hmm.
And these were just stickers that I had got from the Dollar Tree.
Could you turn it the other way? I think it's
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
there you go.
But that's
Okay. Oh, yeah, so there's a car.
Mm-hmm. And then these are some actual shells. Can you see those little shells
Mm-hmm.
that we picked up off the beach? And then that was just a circle that I'd cut out and put these little rhinestone things on them. And then this was just a sticker, and I just added the little rhinestones to them and then just made a border.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Uh, these long little tassels on it. But I have used this thing for several years now. And, but I thought it that. But this is what I sent in the mail in the packets, and this is what the original was. Have I got these upside down?
No, that's good. Yeah, they are upside down. Yeah, there you go.
It's better. Okay. And if you've got your stuff and you want to get it out, I'll just give you some ideas if you've not already made yours. But this was the little glittery one, and then this is the one that folds. And on this one, I just put one of the flip-flops at the top, and then I flipped it over and put one at the bottom. So then when you open it up, you put it in your book. Oh, you can have it to where it will be.
Everybody have their bookmarks out? Beth, you have your bookmark out?
I do.
Can't see it.
Oh, oh wow, my thumb fell off. And I picked it up, they fell off. Mm.
Kathy, what's your bookmark look like?
It's got two little handles on it. And then I put some buttons around them,
Oh, okay.
kind of like
That's
border.
cute.
Yeah, I bet that is cute.
But here's how this one looks when you're using it as a bookmark. This one, I've got it at the top.
Anybody there? I can't hear anybody.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, I think we can hear you now.
Oh, okay.
So let's see, I'm doing mine a little different.
And then here's another way. I took the glitter one
Mm-hmm.
and just put it inside,
Oh, yeah.
and then I glued it down to the inside.
So this is what I did.
Oh, that's cute.
Kind of walking along.
Mm.
Oh, that is cute.
So Kathy, you can't see it, but I put the yellow, what do you call these checkers? What do you call that? On top of the red one. And then I put the flip-flop on top of that. So
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Mine is like this. Mine just fell off. I might have to hold them.
yeah, I was thinking on the shiny one, they might be a little slick.
You were right. They are.
Yeah, so that's why I put this one and this one. And then I was thinking about maybe putting the slick one behind it to give it a little elevation
That would
for,
be cute. Yeah.
for, when you have large books, so it
Right.
sticks out a little bit. So I might do that. Might stick it out like that.
Yeah, that would be cute, like this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, I like that.
Uh-huh.
That's cute. Yeah. So it sticks out,
Right.
especially, cooking books that are big.
Yes, I have some of those.
I
I don't know why I don't ever use them.
was gonna say, are you cooking there, Beth? I don't think, I haven't heard you anything about cooking lately. So
Yeah, I'm cooking today.
you're cooking today. All
I
right.
put some smoked turkey
Uh-huh.
drumsticks in the oven. And I'm
Really?
gonna have some fresh asparagus, some mushrooms, and a baked sweet potato.
I'll be over.
Well, you're welcome to come.
And I know where you live.
Wonderful.
And you can come.
And right
That
here
sounds
is
good.
something I just done with the scraps
Uh-huh.
that I had left over. And you can just, you know, turn them however you want. Just, you know, do one of them and turn them just different directions. You know, just, I mean, like I say, this was stuff that I was throwing in the garbage. And I thought, I could probably make something out of that. So, you know, it's just play around with it and see what you come up with. And what I done, I actually cut this glittery one down a little bit, and that's what my where my scraps came from. Then I glued
Oh, okay.
it to the-
Yeah, so if you cut
See how
this a
close
little,
it is up here,
yeah,
and
that's a
this
good
right
idea.
here was just the scraps
Mm-hmm.
out of it.
I was gonna cut my glittery one in half and put the checkered one on top so it would make a wider bookmark,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
but I didn't do that. But I think it would look good.
Yeah, I think so.
There's a million different ways to do them, and of course, you girls know I save all my scraps. Oh, well. And another thing is like this little clear thing.
Mm-hmm.
You see the reflection. You can save that to put inside, like if you're doing a shaper card, and you can glue that inside, and then put the little um, foam things that keeps the little confetti that you put in there.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, that right there, I used to just throw them because I thought, well, I can't do anything with that. But I found out you can use that clear plastic for that. It's like, oh, what do they call that stuff? Um, well, I can't think of it now. But anyway, it's a clear something you have to buy.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you've already got it. So, um, and let's see. Oh, these little spoons, the poultry thing,
Mm-hmm.
we're gonna do that. We have time.
Yeah, we have time.
Okay. I know this was just a craft I had to do before we actually decided to do just the bingo thing. And, but anyway, this is the card or the paper for it. Not glue that I just there. But you take now this is the wider card that you just actually glue one side to the other get my glue.
Hey, Vonda,
Uh-huh.
can you turn the sound on your microphone up?
Can I do what?
No, she can't. She just has to talk louder. Otherwise, we get feedback. That's
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I see, okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, I'll try to talk louder.
that's good. That
Okay,
level.
have you got this card? This is what makes this.
Right.
Okay, then all you do is put your glue up both sides. Just once you get it up through there, you just close it up like that. Give it a second to dry. And then you can decorate it any way you want to. This is, have I got this upside down?
Yep. There you go.
Sorry about that. Okay, here are some of these little things. These are, yeah, I actually bought these. These are the ones that I made. Did I show you all how to make these? I think I did.
Mm-mm.
I didn't.
No.
Okay. You just take your twine and just hold it like this in your hand, and then just as small as you want it, just make a loop, and then just where this has been curled up in here like this, it makes it real easy just to undo it out of the container, and it'll just kind of lay in place, and you just let it kind of fall where it may. And I'm making this one too big, but I think you can see it better. See how I'm doing this? Do you have your twine? Are you, are any of you trying to make it right now?
No, I'm just looking. I'm trying to find my string here.
No, okay.
See, I had some string.
I'm going to make just a small one here.
We could also use some colored paper to create that. Is that right?
I think you could, or ribbon, any kind of a string. This glue is going to take a bit to dry. And this twine is actually too big. I was going to go get some more, and I thought about it till this morning. Maybe you see how that's coming together, and where mine was too, I feel like my twine is too thick.
Mm-hmm.
It just don't lay as good as I'd like for it to. But then see how when I do this right here and I'm holding it and I start
Right.
to put it together, it just starts twisting. And that makes that loop lay real good. Then when you come up here to do the other one, see how I'm holding it and it's just starting to twist. So I just pull it underneath and let it lay where it falls. And I'm not having to make it lay there. It just automatically folds itself like that as you're rolling it around. And just keep doing that till you get all the loops that you want on there. And just get it off and crunch it together. Put your holes on there. And then just kind of squish it. And if you wanted to, you could lay this on a piece of paper and just let it glue to the paper. And then when you went to pull it off, it would have like a little vacuum. See, now I've got another one just like the first one. And then if you've got a pearl or whatever, you just
You want to talk a little louder?
oh yeah, so sorry. But see, once you put it together, then it fills up.
Mm-hmm.
But if you try to do it all at one time, it just let me give you an example. This is why you need the smaller twine, because as you're doing this, it gets too thick in the center. I see there I've just got about 4 on each side. The others I had 3 on each side.
Mm-hmm.
And see right there is 4. And see how thick it's getting in the center? And you can't control that very easy. Well, that's why I do like here is my original one I done. And then I made a smaller one go over top of it. And then like this one, then you can put a spinner in it like that.
This is what I did.
Oh,
that's pretty.
cute. It's real
So
cute.
it's a paper flower
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
with a dot, with the white dot. Yeah, it kind of pops it a little bit. What do you think, Kathy? Oh, Kathy, you can't see. So, so what I do, I have turquoise paper. I made flower petals and then took some white sheet of paper and made the dot in the middle and put it on top of the bookmark, which is now a
Oh,
holder.
Oh, that'd be pretty.
Yeah, so that's what I did. I guess it would be this way because that's the bottom, something like that. No, this way, it's top. So
Pretty.
Will this video be posted somewhere where I can see it?
yeah, it's going to be on the website.
Okay.
So Beth, what did you do?
I haven't done anything with this one.
Okay.
I
Okay.
just did my other one, this one.
This is easy to do though.
Mhm.
Very nice.
Well, you ain't do that.
But I love the flip flops make all the difference.
I just did this with this one.
That's cute.
Mhm.
That's very cute.
And then, well, like, if you've just got the ribbon put on, I
Mhm.
just put a little bit of the ribbon on there, just hide it, and then you can just tie a bow, or you can make a bigger bow and tie it on, then pull it back, however, and then you can cut your ties. And of course, to me, that's not full enough.
Mhm.
So what I would probably do is would make another bow. I should have already had one of these I made. But anyway, it's the same way that you made your other little bow. You just fill it up, and I would probably glue this, but for right now, I'm just gonna tie it in here. If I can, oh, wait a minute, let me get a wheel here, hold this in place. And I will lay that in there and just tie a hard knot to hold it in place. Of course, I would fill this on up fuller too.
Mhm.
Um, and then I would just
We just cut that off right there.
yeah, cut your ribbon right there.
Mhm. That's a nice, simple contrast.
Mhm.
So you could just make them all different ways. You don't have to make them all look the same.
Right. Then put your silverware in there. And you could put a napkin in with that, and let it stand up in the back here.
Mhm.
And I think that would be nice too.
Maybe one a little wider if you're gonna put the napkin in there.
Yeah, probably. Don't have a napkin in here, but here's a clean nap. And it doesn't want to cooperate. Put it this way. Brings me back to the restaurant days. Oh, hating wrapping that silverware. That
Oh,
was
there you
fun.
go.
Okay. Well, you get the gist of it.
Mhm.
I'm covering my silverware. But anyway, there's an ideal.
That's nice. Very nice.
And
Very
I think it
nice.
would be good like for a picnic.
Mhm. Mhm.
And then of course this would be good for the summer.
Well, you would be putting in plastic knives and forks for a
Oh,
picnic, so that would be smaller. So
definitely.
that would be ideal for that. And then maybe if it's a formal dinner, maybe a little bit larger, wider packet to
Mhm.
get everything in.
Right. And with a like well, like those cards, that shiny paper on it, make it look more elegant.
Mm-hmm. Like you could use felt paper or that real glossy white one that you have that's embossed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, vellum. Yeah, that's the thing. Or even cloth. You know, you could use like um satin. You know, just if you was wanting to do it for a elegant type setting, or you
Mm-hmm.
do the gingham check or muslin for like a picnic.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, there's
So we have about 9 minutes left.
me. Um,
Is there anything you want to share for next time?
well, this is what I have been working on. I still don't have the everything worked out like I wanted, but this is what I was talking about, putting the bingo cards in.
Mm-hmm.
The one that, like I've sent y'all, that's doubled, and then there's still space in here
Mm-hmm.
to put your extras, and make sure y'all make a copy of the blank one before you fill it out, and that way you'll always have a copy. You can, if you want to change your numbers at any time,
Mm-hmm.
you can change them.
Can you turn that around, Vonda?
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Keep getting confused. And then like the playing pieces, like you could put them in a Ziploc bag and just slide them down in this side. And but see, I don't have this closed right here yet, so I'm trying to
Mm-hmm.
figure out how to do that. And this right here, I don't. I mean, that's just folded over, but it does have a clean fold.
That's pretty.
Glue that down because, like over here, see the party's up under there. So I'm trying to, and to cut that away, it I don't like that unfinished look. So that's why I'm still working on that. Then you've got your playing pieces here, and then your card here, and then when you fold it up, you can just tie it, and it all stays in place. And you can put it on your desk, bookshelf, or end table, wherever you want to keep stuff like this. And then it'll always be handy. And that's going to cut down on our cost of trying to send these every month that we um, decide to play. And then I may come up with a punch or a stamp or something that's got bingo to put across the front of it, so it'll be identifiable. And it's not real big, and I'm trying to get it to where it will fit into our envelope, that size. So make it
Okay.
so-
I kind of like the little flowers.
Do you like that?
Yeah, I like the flowers with the ribbon.
Oh, okay. I've
Yeah.
got a whole pack of 20, so I can make them all.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that would be great because then you could also use it. I mean, it's just nice to have, but putting the bingo cards in there would be nice, nice for sure. So, all right. Well, we're coming up at the end of
That's very
our
pretty.
session. Want to thank everybody attending, and any feedback for Vonda on today?
Um,
Beth, any comments? Kathy, any comments?
No, I don't. I just think that's very pretty for putting the bingo cards in.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
Okay, Kathy, any comments? You're on mute. See. So she might have stepped away. All right, well, I think this was exciting. We had, what, 2 bingo games and a craft today, so that was great variety. And everybody just needs to remember to keep their bingo cards and for next time, and then we'll be on to the fall craft theme for next month. So Vonda, thank you very much. And I'm going to go ahead and sign off at this point from the Juanita C. Grant Foundation. And thank you very much for joining us today. So I'll say
Thank you.
goodbye to everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.